Hello everyone, you are welcome to Nane's Tasty Bite. Today we are going to prepare egusi sauce. So we are just starting our egusi. I already have everything ready. We've steamed our meat, cut everything down. So I'll be putting them inside our red oil one after the other. First we are adding our onion to our red oil to fry it. We are adding our chopped tomato to the onions. We are adding our blended onions, ginger, garlic, and green pepper to it. We are adding our crayfish and our egusi to it. Now, here is our crayfish. Our egusi. Egusi is melon seed. We want to add our soft chicken. We can also add our stock to it now. Our beef and intestine to it. Adding our spinach. That one is the last one. Our soup is done. Wow, this is our egusi. We're now coming to serve our soup. Eat it with eba, rice, pounded yam, fufu. You eat it with KONTOMERE. You eat it with amala. You can eat it with jam and whatever you want to eat with. Very attractive and it tastes nice. Anyway, I've already tasted the salt and everything is okay. I didn't add season because the meat having a lot of season there, and the stock also have a lot of season. After tasting it, I realized I don't need to add any seasoning. Wow, can you see it? Can you see how it looks? This is our Egusi. Thank you everyone for subscribing to Nane's Tasty Bite. Please try and share the link with your friends and family. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next video. Stay blessed till we meet another time for my other video. Bye. I love you.